So we're continuing on with step 4 here, and as I said, we need a 1 by 3 by 1 by 20, and we have a 1 by 3 by 1 by 35. So we're going to have to cut this one the same way that we did with the previous one. And so first thing we need to do, let's figure out on this part. Okay, so there's the top plane right there. And so if we then go and add a reference plane, we'll see that this is assuming we want a plane that's parallel to it. So what we'll have to do, we want one that's 20. So we got there's 10, 15, 20. So let's put another point right here, and we'll accept that.